no, no! Oh! Hit! How's it? Yep. Go, go, go. Clear? Nope. Orange, orange, orange. Calm your tits. Alright, they're moving up in corridor. Yo, what's up? Someone just moved to that corridor. Guy on the bridge, right?
Oh, I'm sorry. I just
What?
got like 5 of them just now.
Dude, nice. Okay, well then let's keep them there.
We're all the way down to the spawn. We're running right here.
Sorry. I'll take the spawn. Yep.
Put in there.
I got hit in the neck for the second time.
I gotta reload. Headman walking.
Oh, I couldn't find any.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh my god,
Yeah, that's
I'm an
fine.
electrician too. I'm like, I gotta have some.
They're in this corridor right here.
Where?
In the doorway. They're gone, they're gone. I think they're gone. Push up, push up.
Watch the left.
See anybody? We're good over here, we're good over here.
We're good.
Clear. Push up! I'm orange, orange. Yep, I see him. Watch out, there's a guy in the tires, like right here. Yep, tire room. Yep. Yeah. Oh, hit! Oh! Hit! Oh, move. I mean, oh, that sucked! Ugh. Yeah, I got shot in the back. Lower back?
Push up. Hey, don't do that. This dude over here shooting me in my ribs after I shot him point blank.
Hopefully you are.
Max,
Where do you want to go?
let's keep this area. I know there's a guy up ahead. There's a guy like around here. Oh, yep, there's a guy right here. I turned on my hop up.
Move up there.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Go.
Nobody in window. Nobody in tower. Hit! Ugh! Oh. Sucks, man.
There's 2 more in there. That's it.
Ow, dude!
Oh shit! This thing was
Come
fucking
on! That was the armpit!
Oh.
Right behind you. Oh, my bad. No, he's hit, go, 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 go! Hit! Oh! What's it looking like? Yeah, you see that. Copy, go. We're pinned. Yep. Got him. Alright. Hit! That's a ricochet, but I'm gonna call it. Hit! Alright.
Got two. There were a bunch in the back.
Copy.
Back window as well. Got another?
Oh, someone's moving up. Come on, Ari, call your hit. Yo, are you gonna call your hit? Surrender.
Now welcome to the cheater part of the video, or I say cheater, but it was a very complicated situation. But here we have this man surrendering us or banging us as fast as possible, while my friend Kian says bang bang, while I say surrender. And at this point, it's a 2v1 situation, plus we had a guy behind us also say surrender as well. But this guy was stubborn and he didn't want to call the hit or call the surrender with us, even though there's 2 of us and we both surrendered him pretty much at the same time. So there's no way he surrendered us 2 at the same time. And you can't surrender that many people at the same time. He said bang, he was saying bang bang so many times and not consistently on one person that it basically didn't count. And in the background, there's also that guy that we're shooting, and this guy's argument for not calling his hit is hilarious. Just watch.
Hey, surrender.
Bang, 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 bang.
Alright, so surrender.
Dude, I was right here. I saw you hitting. You was arguing with him. I got you guys out there.
Hey! What?
No, you're not.
Well, I mean, we'll call it.
We'll call the hit. But like,
I didn't get hit.
dude, I know, but I said surrender. Yeah, we said
Where did I come from, bro?
the surrender and bang bang. As long as you say one.
Where did I come from?
You came from right here.
Doesn't
My
matter.
gun was up already when I came. It's alright. I'm going out.
All right, yeah, we both go out. Thank you. We're dead man.
Good thing we got that on video, because it's like, what?
Dead man walking. Door. Surrender! I got shot. Yep. Guys, push up. We're literally good. Move. Reloading. Surrender! Surrender! No, I'm shooting the guy on the bridge. Reloading. Last mag.
Yeah.
Yeah, there guys. Oh wait, okay, never mind. Yep, you got me. All right. Oh wait, no, you're suddenly. Whoa.
Here is the highlight of the video and what made my day during this session. It was the slasher game mode, and I am the slasher, or one of the slashers in this game mode, and the objective is it's a team deathmatch of teams orange and green fighting each other, but they're two slashers. They are invincible. If they shoot them, they can go after you, and if you're hit by their melee weapon, you have to either sit down or take a respawn. So I was very excited to become the slasher, and I had such a great time. So enjoy my slasher footage.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
Hello.
Big thing! Alright. I'm out.
Hi. Oh, okay. I see.
Hey!
Ban hammered. I got him, don't worry, I got him. Don't shoot me.
What's up, buddy?
Oh, okay. I see. Hold on, wait, not you.
Oh, it's me. Oh, I didn't even see.
No, you have to sit down.
Oh, that's
Because you shot me. No, you're good. I saw him because he has a tracer unit. He shot me in the lower stomach of the arm, so I knew. Oh my god. Fan hammered. You guys shot me. You guys have to sit down. Take a seat. No, back where you shot me. Or actually, no, like right here. Take a seat.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Ban hammer. Excuse me? You want to shoot at me again? No, I saw that.
Oh, the funny part was...
No, you shot at me, but you didn't shoot me. You want to shoot at me again?
I didn't shoot at you. You were shooting to see if the gun would shoot.
I know, but don't. Or else I'll ban hammer you. I'm just kidding.
I love you.
I love you too.
Now it's on camera.
Oh, okay. Ban hammered.
Again, I'm taking him out.
Ban hammered.
Oh,
You shot me in the hand.
Okay. Someone grab him real quick. What's up?
Bang, bang. I'm just kidding.
You actually scared me.
Take a respawn. And you're already in spawn, so you can take a respawn, but don't shoot me again. Don't shoot me again. Take a respawn. I'll be nice.
So you look so shootable.
I know. That's why I'm doing this, so people can shoot me. It's working. I know. Man, I never had so much fun getting shot at. Yep.
I'm just trying to get up there. Or trying to get out there.
Are you guys cornered?
Are you guys cornered? Are you guys cornered? Huh?
Yeah.
Why didn't you get out of here?
We can't. We get shot.
Then kick the spawn and keep going. That's simple.
I can't. Not so safe. You got hit.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
Banhammer, sit down. Who shot me? Someone shot me in the spine. One of you kids over here shot me in the spine. Who was it? Was it you? Was it you? Take a respawn. Take a respawn. I like the foil over your sight and the Kermit. You're good, you're good. Take a seat! Take a seat, right here!
Oh, we got him. Oh shit, sorry.
We're trying to scare him off for today.
Hey!
Get back!
Come on, dude.
Take respawn. He shot me in the window. No, don't sit. Take a respawn.
Wait, I'm gonna sit down.
No, you have to take a respawn.
Okay, now.
You almost did it again. But you almost. I saw your gun up. Sit down. You shall not pass. You hear me?
Hey! I'm trying to sleep here.
Oh, sorry, neighbor. Whoa.
Hey, man.
Oh,
You're good. Oh.
sit down. I'm just kidding. Take the respawn. Take the respawn.
Okay.
I'm too nice.
Bang, bang.
Sit down.
The hell was this? What is this? Can I see that real quick?
It's our Asian pose.
Can I shoot it?
Yeah, that's my gun. You can shoot it.
Hey, recording, right?
Yeah.
No, wait. No, don't do that. They have cameras. Take that. Have a good day. I'm not trying to get my ass kicked. They got cameras in this arena. I'd rather not.
Dane, come up here. Dane, next to the deal. Dane.
Oh. Huh? Dane.
Dang, what?
Game over. Back up, gun, jump, push them back to safe.
Everyone at least shot me once. Or most.
I never shot you.
Bad.
My bad, bro. Woo, teamwork.